Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a room tour of this hotel room that we are currently staying at. I can't remember the exact name of the room, but I'll leave it in the title here. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get started. Starting from the outside, this is the lobby. This is how it looks like, and it kind of faces the ocean right there. Door of the room. Ta-da! The usual like do not disturb stuff here, and before you go in there, you've got a guest bathroom here because I think this room can occupy 2 + 1 adults. So I've never actually been in here, so this would be a first for me. It's very basic but very grand at the same time. Every sink, a WC here, and a nice full-length mirror to check yourself out before you go. So very nice. The decor is kind of like similar across the entire rooms. You've got the bar / fridge area. You've got lots of snacks here that open up like that in case you get hungry. None of these snacks here are complimentary, so just note that. And you've got more stuff there, alcohol if you want, just basic utensils, mineral water, and I think the coffee is complimentary. And then you've got down here the mini fridge, and it was stocked up with a lot of stuff, but we told them to change everything out to 7-Up and Coke, so that's what we have down there. This bottle looks really cheap. What is it? Yeah, it's like fancy mineral water. And here we have the room. Sorry guys, we haven't asked for room service, so this is like what you get as is. It's me, my husband, and my 4-month-old baby who's been staying here. Been staying here for about 2 nights. Yeah, 2 nights already. So this is the living room, closed off from the bedroom. You've got a nice size TV here. The sofa looks like that. It's not the coziest sofa, but it looks really sleek, right? Got these tools which you would use if you order room service, and these are the decor at the moment. Got magazines. This chair is really nice and comfortable to sit in. And then you've got the nice TV set. You've got like stuff to put storage and more storage area. So, and then this is sort of like the office area space. I've got all our snacks and our essentials for the baby right here, like milk. They do provide a lot of mineral water. It comes in these like travel size bottles, so that's good. And then you've got the menus, the spa menu and stuff like that. Joe and the juice. They've got like basic amenities. Ooh, they've got colored highlighters here, pretty cool. Got all the systems, phones and lights, and they've got free Wi-Fi here and all that. I'm gonna go into the room right now. That's the room. Ah! There's my baby. Where's my baby? There's my baby. So this is how the room looks like. This lighting here looks super interesting, but at night there were a couple of times where I actually got scared from it because it looked like there was someone like hovering over us. But yeah, this is the king size bed, baby not included. We are packing at the moment. This is the headboard, very nice flowery design right here. So the bed is super comfortable. It's a very soft kind of mattress, and they have like 15 types of pillows that you can ask for, from the normal bed stand here. And then you've got this, which is a nice lamp. One cool thing is there is a universal adapter here. So right now my camera is using the Japanese adapter. You don't really need to bring your own adapter. Then you've got the Singapore adapters right there. This is the cot that comes with the room if you request for it. It's a very basic cot. We are not used to this type of cot, but our baby was able to sleep very nicely here. I do recommend bringing in like the cot protector, the ones that go around, because your baby, if he's small like this one, he might get stuck there. And this is a view. I'll show you guys the outside later on. We've got TV here. Those are not exactly like, I don't think they're storage. They're just like the cables and stuff. So we've got our napkin area here. And then this is the view, you guys. from the bedroom, you can obviously open this door. So this guy right here is super comfortable. It's like one of those dangly chairs, very comfortable, and it can hold my weight, so it's pretty sturdy. I haven't actually sat in this except for the first day that we arrived. I haven't actually sat in it. Talk about the wardrobe, the walk-in wardrobe. It's behind this door right here. So we've got the pillows there, and we've got lots of hangers that they provide. You've got an ironing board, places to put stuff, and you've got 2 drawers. This drawer has a safe, and then you've got 2 empty drawers right there. You've got the usual like stuff that comes in the room, laundry bag and all that good stuff. So it's a nice enough like closet, and there is a full-length mirror here as well, big enough for you to actually close this off and like change behind closed doors. There is the bathroom, the opening to the bathroom, and as you walk in, it's like literally this was like the wow moment. I didn't even look for the bathroom. We came here and it was like pretty wow moment. So you can see that the glass floor to ceiling actually extends to the bathroom. You've got this guy here, which is a mirror TV. I don't know why they need it to be mirrored, but it's a TV, and you can actually watch the TV from the bathtub. And this is the bathtub. We had a nice bubble bath here the other day, so it was pretty cool. Obviously, if you have a bath here and you're kind of looking into the water, it's just really relaxing. The toiletries are the Bliss brand. I think that's like globally their toiletries brand. So you've got all that there, and then you've got this little remote for the bathroom mirror TV. You've got a nice towel rack, scale. You've got the robes, which are super comfortable, by the way. This is the WC here, which is behind this door, so it's very spacious and very private, but still you can kind of see out the marina. And then the door, there's only one door, so you slide one door down that way, and then you've got the shower here, which is very big. It's really cool because there's so many stuff that comes with the shower. So this is for the rain tap, which goes from there, and then this one is pretty cool because there's water shooting out from here and here, so you've got 2 sprays of water coming at your body. So this one is for the normal shower tap. Soapy Suds body shower gel, Super Shine shampoo, which is all lemony flavored, and then the conditioner rinse. I must say that this particular noggin here, it can be quite difficult to turn when your hands are wet. 2 sinks, dual sink, and then you've got this huge ass mirror here. So right now this is the mirror lighted up, so it's really cool to get ready and stuff. You've got a magnifying mirror here. You've got more complimentary like stuff, toiletries, face wash, you've got a comb, you've got lots of toothpaste and Colgate. Oh, this is my makeup brush. I need to pack that. And then you've got a bar of soap. You've got body butter. And one thing cool is that they provided us with a full set of Kodomo travel size thing, which comes with shampoo, bath, body lotion, so that was really helpful. And we actually did use it to shower him a couple of times, and it worked pretty well. You just have to be careful because this thing is like super hard, right? But all the towels and stuff underneath here. Let's see, is this more storage? Ooh, I did not even see these things. These are pretty cool. So shoe shine, makeup remover, ear plugs, sanitary bag, like a sewing kit, touch-up kit, shaving cream, and a lint remover. We didn't even notice that these things were here. Let's see what's underneath here. Yeah. Oh my god! Nothing. Alright guys, this is the cool part. And this is the outside. Oh my gosh! This is like definitely the OMG moment, and it starts off with this little cabana right here. We didn't really use this, but it's cool to have if you're here with friends and stuff. If you want a suntan but not get too much of the sun, you do get like a proper shelter here, so it's not like the direct sunlight coming down on you. And then you've got greenery here for privacy. And let's talk about this view, you guys. Oh my god. So this looks out into the Sentosa Cove Marina, and it's super gorgeous, and it's not the most windiest places, but it's not like super hot either. So there's this tool where it's useful when you want to put things while you're in the pool, and there's this pool which is 0.9 meters, 3 feet, and we have enjoyed this pool immensely, and it's just the right height. It stops at my waist. I'm 5'7", so it's really perfect for you to just chill, and you can see that while you're in the pool you will be enjoying all that view. Oh my gosh. And then you turn and then there's more. There is this nice little furniture set here which you can sit down. We like to sit here at night and kind of just enjoy the view. It just extends all the way back there, and you can see so much from here. It's just really beautiful. It's just a very luxurious room, very comfortable as well. So yeah, it's nice. So I want to show you guys how the room looks like after the turn down service. It's turning down for the night, but you can choose to party in your room as well. Looks like this, super nice. Comes in and it literally looks like you're about to have a party. And the lights look like that, and you have nice lighting over there. As you enter the room, it's party time.
I'm super excited for party.
I really like these lights underneath the bed. Yeah, it looks like you're about to have a party, except that there's that. So we are not gonna have a party, are we? Huh? I have him here vlogging with me. Night lights on, TV's over there, and I want to show you guys how it looks like outside as well. The little bed here, which we haven't used yet, looks like that. And then the pool looks lighted up, looks really pretty. And then this is the view that you basically get. That's the other side of the hotel, and it just goes all the way to the residences and the quayside area where we just had dinner in. And you've got the pool here. This is really cool. Can you imagine if this was your house? Oh my god. How you doing, buddy? Yeah? Mommy's just gonna vlog finish, okay? So yeah. So in general, it's been a really good stay here. This hotel is in Sentosa Cove. Sentosa has a lot of different parts. It has the beach area, it's got the Resorts World area, which has like the casinos and Universal Studios. So this Sentosa Cove is more of like the secluded area, so it is a little bit further from everything that's happening, because this is where people actually live, and it's a little bit more luxurious area, I would say, because instead of having cars parked in their backyards, they have their yachts parked in their backyards. So it's definitely a different kind of like population that you see here, but everyone's really friendly. It almost feels like it's a different part of Singapore. Over around there, that area there, that's the quayside area. So that's where you have a whole row of international restaurants. You've got Mexican, Greek, American, Chinese, Thai restaurants there. You don't actually have Singapore food but you have everything else. And then you've got long boardwalks that you can go for a walk, and then all the way up to that area. If you want to travel out to the Resorts World area, there are shuttle buses that come every 20 minutes. And W Hotel also provides a shuttle bus that goes to Marina Bay Sands, to a lot of like I think it goes to Clarke Quay as well. So a lot of like the touristy destination in Singapore. We came here for a staycation. We are living in Singapore, but this is like the perfect staycation place. But it does feel like it's not really Singapore, so I highly recommend this for families who want to take a staycation. Even if you don't take this particular room, they have a really nice pool downstairs, which is perfect for families. I think the service and everything is fantastic. The room is fantastic, and we really enjoyed our stay here. I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel room tour. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you found this useful, and have fun!